Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today it's going to be a bit different because I'm in my Judo Gi and we are going to have a practice session and most probably a Randori session in the end. So stay tuned, a lot of fun, a lot of kick-ass, my kick-ass, and throughout the episode. And exactly, a lot of this stuff as well, the element of surprise. We are just practicing throws. It's not a fight. This is just to perfect our throws. अभी 4 महीने हो गए. So still pretty good. Not bad. Bloody rusted. Well guys, that's it. We got ourselves kicked pretty badly, but it was good. And in the end, I'm going to tell you one more. I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to subscribe, comment, like, and share. This will be in my Judo series. And I'll see you guys in the next one, guys.